Mike Satcher-Zemas. I'm the president of Filmwerks International, and we provide power, systems, logistics, air conditioning. We provide staging, sets for sporting events, and other live entertainment curriculum, from concerts to anything that's live is what we generally are powering or assisting in producing. We're here to provide essentially insurance that the game stays on. Now that we're using this utility power, it's extremely important that we're able to monitor the condition of the power as it comes in. Imagine the dynamics of 80,000 people coming in here, and cookers and fryers and all this equipment, the lights come on, every dynamic changes. And we're using Fluke equipment to monitor everything that we're doing out here to keep us aware of the condition of the power, keep us aware of everything that's going on. We got to know what's happening in that stadium minute by minute. And we're able to do that with this product, and that's a big deal to us and a big deal to the client.